I want to start off with this quote. We don't build things to make money. We make money so we can continue building things, creating more jobs, more opportunities, and spreading happiness to positively impact and change the world. Alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to share with you a quick story about giving back. So we're gonna actually surprise 2 employees that I have in the Philippines. They've actually been working with me for close to a year now, I think a little bit over a year. And these girls have been working extremely hard for me, full-time, 5-6 days a week. And they've definitely helped the business grow a considerable amount over the last year. And for Christmas / New Year's, I went ahead and got them two iPad minis. So they're super stoked. They've never really owned any kind of Apple products over there. So I'm really excited to gift this to them. But that's the point I want to make is it's not about the money. It's about being able to give back and help other people. And, you know, besides providing them a salary pay and compensating them, I also want to give them really nice gifts. And one day when I go to the Philippines, I plan to visit them and shower them with a lot of love and a lot of gifts as well. Because these honestly are the hardest, best working employees I have personally ever had in my life. So, alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and surprise them. Okay, sisters. Thank you for being on the call. I really appreciate it. I know it's been very hard for us to get on Skype at the same time because I'm in the United States and you're in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
I wanted to make a quick meeting. And I know that you guys think that this meeting is very serious, right?
Yes.
Like we're gonna have a company meeting, a business meeting, maybe some training, but it's not a serious meeting at all. Okay. The reason why I wanted to have this meeting was because I actually have a gift for you guys.
Wow, thank you, Mr. Bo.
Yes, I wanted to share that you know, you guys have been working for me so hard, and I think it's been almost a year now that you guys have been working for me. And
Yes.
you guys seriously are the sweetest, most hardworking gals I have ever had. You know, I know I know we've never met face to face in real life, but you know, I feel like I've known you guys because we talked a lot through Skype and emails and stuff. So this is a gift that I got for you guys for like Christmas / New Year's. Okay, and I know I know Christmas just passed, but you know I was busy and you were busy as well. So, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, so this is what I got you guys, okay? I know, I don't think you guys have this, but we talked about it a little bit. But I got you and your sister 2 brand new Apple iPads.
Wow, thank you, Mr.
sir.
Bo. It's our
Yes.
first time to have like that.
Really?
Thank you so much, sir.
You've never had any Apple products before?
Yes.
And just to let you know, this is
Wow.
real American made.
Okay.
It's not fake like in the Philippines. Right? So after we're done with the call, I'm gonna go ahead and you know, send me your address. I'll go ahead and send these to you out tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, thank you,
sir.
thank you.
Thank you
Yes,
so much.
you got it. Now, real quick, I wanted to have you guys. Can you share with everyone real quick how long you've been working with me, and also, you know, what do you like the most about working with me?
For almost 10 months or 1 year that I have been working with Mr. Bo, I enjoy working with him because he is a great and awesome boss. And we are enjoying the work so much because we are just working at home.
That's awesome. What about you, Jenbei?
For me, I am very thankful that I've been working for Sir for almost 10 months, and he is very understanding and able to fix problems with us,
Yes.
and he able to help us in our to be independent, that we also help our family.
Awesome, awesome. Now, can you share with everyone real quick what you guys did before this job?
Before I was working with Mr. Bo, I was a private nurse at home working with a family.
And what about you, Jenbei?
I was still studying in fourth year college in studying taking Bachelor Science of Nursing. And after my graduation, I started working in Mr. Bull. And I'm very thankful for that.
What do you guys do with the money that you make?
With the money that we make, right now that we are living with ourselves, not with our parents, mostly the income that we earn, we pay it for the apartment that we are renting, the internet, the electric, and all the bills we have. And for the most reason, we are working hard for our family. Like if there are emergency cases or they need something, we are able to help them.
Oh, that is awesome. And have you guys been able to help your families?
Yes, we help our family many times already. It was so awesome, and we have a great experience working with Mr. Boo with for almost 1 year, because we are just working at home, and he is so friendly to us, even though sometimes we make mistakes, but he was so very understanding.
Okay. What about you, sister?
We are very thankful that God uses Mr. Wu as our employer, and he is very understanding to us. He was able to help us really big help, and he is very friendly also, and a good boss, a great boss.
Awesome. And then can you share lastly before you start working, what's your routine? Like, what do you do before you start work?
Before I start working, before I wake up, I pray. Then I thank God for everything that He have done. Then I read my Bible and do some exercise, a little exercise, then working.
Awesome. So you always pray and read the Bible before you start working every day.
Yes.
That is awesome. Okay, that's it, sister. So I'm gonna send you
Thank you.
your iPads. Okay.
Yay, thank you, Mr. Bo. Thank you so much. Belated Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you, sisters. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Bo.
Okay,
We will imitate.
Okay. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.